Do you want to sell products without building a website? What if I showed you a free tool that does it inside WhatsApp? If you are a small business owner, you already know websites can be expensive and complicated, but WhatsApp is already on your phone and your customers use it daily. Therefore, Starlink is a simple and free way to turn your WhatsApp business into a sophisticated web store. In this video, I will show you easy step-by-step to start selling right from your WhatsApp. You don't need a sophisticated website or learn how to code or do anything. It is completely free. You will see how fast and stress-free this online selling can be. Hi, I am Pat, and on this channel, we'll discuss practical tech tips for education, research, and business productivity. If you would like to learn more smart and actionable tips, hit that subscribe button now and join our community so that you never miss our future videos. Let's get started. Turning onto my computer, the very first thing I will do is to open Chrome. Then from Chrome, I will enter this keyword, Starlink. Press enter from the keyboard and wait for it to load. From here, I will have to click on the first link in order to open Starlink. Here is Starlink. When you get to Starlink website, you will see that they have a lot of features here, and there are about 10,000 plus e-commerce stores already using Starlink. You can watch a video here to see how it works, but do not worry, I am showing you everything, including how to use Google Sheets as your database. Now, from this particular place, the first thing you will need to do is to click on Starlink button. You can also click from here, whichever one you want, and it is free to start. Now, let me click on the Starlink button and wait for it to load. So I will need to sign in using my Google account. So from this point, I'll have to grant Starlink access to these features. I can select them one by one or click to check all. From there, I will then click on continue and it will immediately take me to Starlink. So this is the dashboard of Starlink where you now have multi-purpose, quick order, wholesale, digital download, list of links. So it now depends on the type of services or products you sell. For here, I am going to choose quick order, or I can also choose digital download. It depends on you, okay? Let us choose quick order. So I will select this. Now it is asking me to enter my store name. So I am going to use Patek Academy. From here, I will choose the currency I want my customers to patronize me with, whether it is going to be USD or any other currency that is available with Starlink. Of course, you know that I'm in Nigeria. I can decide to use Nigeria Naira. So here is Nigeria Naira, okay? But if you are selling to international audience, you may choose to use dollar, okay? So let me use this for now. Then the next thing you will need to do is to enable receive orders on WhatsApp. You understand? So that once someone orders for your product, you will receive information through your WhatsApp. Do not worry, I am going to show you how easy it is to receive this order. You can as well choose to receive order via email or Google Sheets. Maybe for now, I'm going to turn these ones off because we are focusing on WhatsApp. So after turning this on, I will enter my phone number, my WhatsApp phone number. Then click on Create Store button. Right now, it is loading. Voila! We have our Starlink here. You can now copy your Starlink here. This is the URL for your Starlink. You can copy it and visit it at any time. You can also share it with others. But let us continue to design this our Starlink web store. So I will click on this Start Designing. But before I do that, let me copy this link and store it somewhere. Now, click on Start Designing button. Here, we are presented with this interface. You can see the name of the store, Patek Academy. You can decide to change the banner image, the products, prices, and all of that. These are preset products. Okay, so all you need to do is to delete all of them and enter your own. Let me show you how to do that. But before we edit these products or to add complete fresh one, let us change this banner. Okay, so I will come here and click on banner image from these settings. Now select a banner image of my choice. I will delete this one that is here, then upload new one. I will go to my computer and upload new one. I have a banner image here. So this, let me use this. Then we'll wait for it to upload. Boom, we'll have our Patek Academy banner image. So you can use the same way to change other settings, whether it is a header, footer, and all of that. You can as well change the theme and things like that. Immediately after you make your changes, you will need to save it. So I'll click on save button from top right. When it has finished saving, I will then change the product we'll have here. So I'll click on product tabs, and it presented us with this information, asking us to open product sheets. As we said before, it works with Google Sheets. So if you click on gallery here, for example, you can upload new image. But let us first of all manage the product sheet. So I'll click here and then open product sheets. When I do that, it is going to open Google Sheets for us using the same email that we signed in with. So if you watch this thing now, you'll see these are pre-made products. So this is a kind of warning because it's going to send this information to WhatsApp. So since you know the website, you can always allow it. Okay. So after the allowing, you can see the images have now appeared. Okay. Now, what you will now need to do is to delete all these things, all the information you have here, and add your own. Because of time, we are not going to work on each of them one after another. So I am just going to work on one. Okay, so I will go back to the store link so that I will change this image here, this very first one. So if I go back to store link and click on gallery here, I will then upload new image. So click on this button to upload, browse, and look for the image you would like to use. Assuming I want to use this image, for instance, I'll click open and wait for it to upload. Then click on upload file. You can add more if you want. Okay. Then after, you click on done. So you can see the image has been added. Now the next thing you will need to do is to copy the link to this image. So I will click on this image and it will show me this. I'll click copy image. After copying the image, then I will go back to the Google Sheets where I want to use this image. What I will then do is to paste this image that I just copied. So I will just press Ctrl V from the keyboard and wait for it to load. You can see the image now. Once you have done that, the next thing you will now have to do is to change this text. Instead of showing tomato, you will now write whatever it is. Okay, your product or your services. For this, I will say data analysis course. So you can go on to change the category, the price, and all of that. Let me just add another one so that you see what I am doing. I will go back to store link dashboard, upload an image, click done. Once the image is uploaded, select it and click on copy image. After copying the image, go back to Google Sheets, then delete whatever image you want to edit and paste new one. I'm pressing Ctrl V from the keyboard. It will load and show you that image. Okay, so you will then go on to edit the detail of that product. Now, when you are through, your question now is how do you then link it with WhatsApp? Just calm down and you will see that in a minute. So apart from products, we'll have other tabs here like coupons. If you have discounts you want to give to your customers, you can add coupon here. Again, if you come to others tab, you will see all the orders that people requested for through WhatsApp. And from analytics, you will see the number of people visiting your store. But this requires a paid plan. You can see it's saying upgrade here. So you need to pay. And there are other settings here. Now, let us go and see how you can link it to WhatsApp. So I will come back to home. From here, you will notice that it's showing us little analytics like total order, total sales, user visits, and all of that. So once I copy on my store link, I will then go to WhatsApp. I have already opened my WhatsApp here. Now, from here, you will go to WhatsApp tools. Remember to use WhatsApp Business. Okay, so if you click on WhatsApp tools, so from business tools, you will now have to click on business profile. When you click on business profile, it will load this thing for you. You can see that I have some information here. I already added my website link here, but to add store link, you can see that there's an option for me to add another website. So I will click here, then paste the store link that I have copied, and then click OK. So once I am done with that, you can see that my store link is here. So anybody visiting my WhatsApp can check my business profile. From there, they will see all the links that I have. So if they should click on my link like this, it will load and show them all that I have. Do you see that? These are the two products that I just added and the other ones that I didn't edit. Do you see that? So this means that nothing is stopping you from excelling in your business. You can actually set up an online store free of charge. You don't need to pay for any website or learn how to code. How cool is that? If you are getting value from this video, please remember to subscribe, like, and share it with other ones. Do not forget to leave your comments in the comment section. I will personally attend to them. So if anyone should click on this, for example, add to cart, then from here, click on proceed to check out. So the customer will have to fill his or her information such as name, email, phone number, and all of that. After that, you click on place order on WhatsApp button. Once you do that, you click on place order on WhatsApp button, and the store owner will receive this information in his WhatsApp business. It doesn't matter if the customer is on WhatsApp web or WhatsApp mobile. I hope this video was helpful. Please drop your thoughts in the comment box below. Subscribe, like, and share the video with your loved ones. I also made another video on how to use 2 WhatsApp in one phone. The link to that video is in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.